राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः स्वागतम् वेलकम टू क्लास 8 of श्री शंकराचार्य विरचित सौंदर्य लहरी पारायणाभ्यासः. So learn to chant Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. As you know, we have completed the first 20 verses. We have completed learning them. So today will be a revision like I had announced in the previous class. So I will chant the first 20 verses initially and then request those of you who want to chant to please raise your hands, and I will call out your name and ask you to unmute yourself. So you can unmute when I call out your name and you could chant individually. So the whole session today will be revision, and in case there are many of you who are not able to chant today due to a paucity of time, we will continue the revision in the next class also, because these are big verses, so it takes time to chant these verses. So in case there are many of you remaining who are unable to chant today individually, we can take up revision in the next class also, no problem. So let us begin. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे, न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्. सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने, शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः. शिवशक्त्या युक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं, न चेदेवं देवः न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि. अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यप्रभवति. तनीयां सम्पांसुं तव चरणपङ्केरुहभवं विरिञ्चिः सञ्चिन्वन् विरचयति लोकानविकलम्. वहत्येनं शौरिः कथमपि सहस्रेण शिरसां, हरः संक्षुभ्यैनं भजति भसितोद्धूलनविधिम्. अविद्यानामन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी, जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दस्रुतिझरी, दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति. त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः, त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया. भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं, शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ. हरिस्त्वामाराध्य प्रणत जन सौभाग्य जननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वान्नत्वा रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम् धनुः पौष्पं मौर्वी मधुकरमयी पञ्चविशिखाः वसन्तः सामन्तः मलयमरुदायोधनरथः तथाप्येकः सर्वं हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपामपाङ्गात्ते लब्ध्वा जगदिदमनङ्गो विजयते क्वनत्काञ्चीदामा करिकलभकुम्भस्तननता परिक्षीणा मध्ये परिणत शरच्चन्द्रवदना धनुर्बाणान् पाशं सृणिमपि दधाना करतलैः पुरस्तादास्तां नः पुरमथितुराहो पुरुषिका सुधा सिन्धोर्मध्ये सुरवितपिवाटी परिवृते मणिद्वीपे नीपोपवनवति चिन्तामणिगृहे शिवाकारे मञ्चे परमशिवपर्यङ्कनिलयां भजन्ति त्वां धन्याः कतिचन चिदानन्दलहरीं महीं मूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे सुधाधारासारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नायमहसः अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमध्युष्टवलयं स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलयत्रिरेखाभिः सार्धम् तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः यदालोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम् नरं वर्षीयांसं नयनविरसं नर्मसुजडं तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः गलद्वेणीबन्धाः कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम् शरज्योत्स्ना शुद्धां शशियुतजटाजूटमकुटां वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिकघटिका पुस्तककरां सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरिमधुरीणाः फणितयः कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणतरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनममी सवित्रीभिर्वाचां शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननी संचिन्तयति यः सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोदमधुरैः तनुच्छायाभिस्ते तरुणतरणिश्रीसरणिभिः दिवं सर्वामुर्वीम् अरुणिमनिमग्नां स्मरति यः भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्यद्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्याः कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधः हरार्धं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मथकलां स सद्यः संक्षोभं नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघुत्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम् किरन्तीमङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसं हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव यः ससर्पाणां दर्पं शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव ज्वरप्लुष्टां दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधारसिरया. Okay, so this was a recap of the first 20 verses. Okay, just one shloka each. So one question is whether all will be chanting all 20. That is not possible. So just one shloka each person. So yes, let me see whoever has raised hands. So what I would do is I would call out the names according to the order in which they are appearing on my screen. So whoever has raised your hand to chant individually. And once I call out your name, please unmute yourself and please chant the verse displayed on the screen. And then if there are any errors, I will point that out to you. After you finish chanting, please lower your hand so that I will know as to how many others are remaining who still are waiting for a chance to chant. So lower your hand once I finish calling, once you finish chanting. Okay, let us begin. Padma Narayan Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Let us start with Guru Vandanam itself. Yes.
Okay. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guro paramam shishurasmi guro matirasmi gurau mama pahi guro.
This is Matirasti Gurau. It is not Matirasmi. It is Matirasti Gurau. So please note that, Padma ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
It is Matirasti. Okay? Not Asmi.
Thank
Here
you.
it is Shishurasmi. The third line is Shishurasmi. Last line is Matirasti.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Whoever has chanted, please lower your hand. V. Uma Maheshwari. V. Uma Maheshwari Bhagini, please. Yes.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavat Pada Shankaram Loka Shankaram.
Uttamam. Bhagavat Pada, Bha, the Mahaprana should be clearer. As this is a small shloka, request you to chant the next one also.
Saundarya Lagari Kartre Sarvamangaladayine Shankaracharya Varyaya Yatirajayate Namaha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Well chanted. So once you chant, please lower your hand. Ravi Mulkutla Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Shiva Shaktya Yuktah Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Nache Devam Devaha Nakhalu Kushalas Panditumapi Atastva Maradhyam Harihara Virinchadhibirapi Pranuntum Stotum Va Khatamakruta Punya Prabhavati.
Just two observations, Mahodaya. Here, third line. Harihara Virinchadi Bhirapi. Da is Alpa Prana, Bha is Mahaprana. So inadvertently, Da was heard as Mahaprana and Ba was heard as Alpa Prana. So it was interchanged. So that please pay attention. Harihara Virinchadi Bhirapi.
Harihara Virinchadi Bhirapi.
That's right. And similar thing happened in the fourth line also. Katham, Tha is Mahaprana.
Kathamakruta Punya.
Ka is Alpa Prana. Ka is just Ka. Only Tha should be Mahaprana.
Pranuntum Stotum.
Pranantum.
Pranantum.
It is not Pranu. Pranantum.
Pranantum Stotum Va. कथमकृत पुण्य प्रभवति.
Yes, yes. So that happens, that tends to happen sometimes because we want to chant one letter as Mahaprana, inadvertently we interchange it with the previous letter or next letter. So just these two observations. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well
धन्यवादाः.
chanted.
धन्यवादाः.
Well chanted. Saurabh Vemuri Mahodaya. Next one.
राम 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 महोदय.
Ram Ram Ram.
तनीयां सम्पांसुं तव चरण पंकेरुहभवं विरिञ्चिः सञ्चिन्वन् विरचयति लोकान् विकलं वहत्येनं शौरिः कथमपि सहस्रेण शिरसां हरः संक्षुभ्यैनं भजति भसितोद्धूलनविधिम्.
Uttamam, well chanted Mahodaya. The Mahapranas were clear. Just one observation, the na should be chanted clearly. For example, Tava Charana, and here Sahasrena. It was heard as na. It was heard similar to this Taniyamsam, na. It was heard similar to that. So this na, if you're looking at English, the N with a dot below in the IAST, Tava Charana and Sahasrena. Please pay attention to this. I think in all places, if you pay attention to this, it would be good.
Thanks.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Like I said, whoever has chanted, please lower your hands. Jayanti Sridhar Bhagini.
Namaste Modi.
Namaste.
Avidyanamantastimiramihiraddvipanagari Jadanam chaitanyastabhagamakarantashruti Daridranam chintamani gunanika janma jaladau Nimagnanam damshra muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
Mahapranas were good. Similar to what I said in the previous verse, Bhagini. Daridranam na. So this is Jadanam na. Whereas this next line, if you see, it is Daridranam Chintamani na and Guna na. Mani Chintamani Guna Nika. So this difference between, in this word, you have both the nas together. Na and na together. Na and ni. So that slight difference, that should be clearer. If you notice, when you say na, like mani, guna, you're twisting your tongue more.
Okay.
Third line,
Okay.
could I listen to it again?
Okay. Daridranam chintamani gunanika janma jaladau Nimagnanam damshra muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
It was better this time. So with practice, you will get that na. And this word here, last line, it is nimagnanam damshtra. The sa should not be heard there. Damshtra. I mean, these are just points to make your chanting more perfect. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Okay, next. Umavi Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Tvadanya panibhyam abhayavarado daivataganaha tvameka naivasi prakatitavarabhityabhinaya bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vancha samadhikam sharanye lokanam Tavahi charana veva nipunau.
Uttamam Bhagini. Third line. Phalamapi cha vancha. Cha is Mahaprana. Samadhikam. Dhi also should be clearer. Uttamam.
Okay.
You all have learnt very well. Very happy to listen to all of you. Next, Sundar Rajan Mahodaya.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Haristwamaradhya pranata jana saubhakya janani puranari bhutva purari pumapi kshobhamanayat smaropitvam natva ratinayana lehyena vapusha muni namapyantaha prabhavati mohaya mahatam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Two places Mahaprana, if it is clearer, it would be better. Shobha Manayat and Prabhavatihi. Bha. So if that Mahaprana is clearer, it would be better.
Okay, thanks. I was looking at the highlights actually.
Okay. Yeah, and so these are highlighted.
No, I was looking at the diacriticals, that's why.
Oh, sorry. Yes, you're right. It's not highlighted there. Yes, my mistake. Okay.
No worries.
Yes, so Kshobha Manayat, here also it should be highlighted. And Prabhavatihi is highlighted.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. On that note, just wanted to share this with you. So this Mahaprana highlighting, I think at some point of time we should do away with it, because it is better if you all learn to identify the Mahapranas without the aid of the highlights. So that is the ultimate goal of this course also. So it shouldn't be like we overly depend on the highlight. So I also said this in another students' Sanskritam class for young children, because whether you look at Sanskritam or you look at IAST, diacriticals, you should be able to make out which is Alpaprana, which is Mahaprana. Maybe in diacriticals, you need to have more practice. For example, Dhanuhu, DH would be Mahaprana. Similarly, Madhukara Mayi, DH again here. Third line, Tatha, it is TH. Last line, Labdhva, DH. So those who are looking at IAST, you must know how it is written, how the Mahapranas are denoted. If you learn all these 100 verses of Saundarya Lahari perfectly itself, you will get to know how that works. So even without the aid of the highlights, you will be able to identify. Those who are looking at Devanagari, that is Sanskritam, of course, each letter is written differently. So they are denoted differently. So you should be able to identify the Mahapranas. One more request is, see, the aim of these webinars is one, to learn to chant perfectly, and also to, as a first step for you to start learning Sanskritam also. So no translation will do justice to any work. So if you want to understand the meaning, understand the nuances better, start learning Sanskritam, and let your aim be to try to start reading in Sanskritam itself, in Devanagari. Further, once you progress, you can also understand the verses on your own once you know the language. And in Sanskritam, they say, Nahi vayaha tejaso hetuhu. So age is never a criterion. So any age you can start and you can learn. So I hope all of you are motivated to learn this beautiful language, so that you will be able to appreciate these original texts better on your own. Okay, on that note, next we have Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini.
Namaste. Ram.
Namaste.
Dhanu Pauspam Maurvi Madhukaramayi Panchavishikhaha Vasantas Samantaha Malaya Marudayo Dhanarataha तथाप्येकः सर्वं हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपाम् अपाङ्गाते लब्ध्वा जगदिदमनङ्गो विजयते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Just one observation. Apangate. So there, I know you chanted it. Here, last line, I'll just point it out to you. Apangate. There are two thas there. It is a conjunct consonant or a samyuktaksharam. So apangate. If that there is more stress there, it will be clearly heard as two thas. Otherwise, it would be heard as apangate, which is not correct.
Apangate labdva
Yes.
jagadiranango vijayate.
Uttamam Bhagini. Apangate, it's just an alpa prana, just that we have two thas there. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. All of you are chanting very well. Next. Dr. Jayashri R.S. Bhagini.
क्वणत्काञ्चीदामा करिकलभकुम्भस्तननता परिक्षीणा मध्ये परिणतशरच्चन्द्रवदना धनुर्बाणान् पाशं शृणिमपि दधाना करतलैः पुरस्ताद्दास्तां नः पुरमथितुराहो पुरुषिका.
Uttamam Bhagini. Could I listen to the first line again?
क्वणत्काञ्चीदामा करिकलभकुम्भस्तननता.
Here there is a dvitvam. So here you notice it is not chanted as kumbhastananata. It is chanted as kumbhastananata. Extra sa there. Okay, so there's a difference. Let me show you both. Karikalabha kumbhastananata is how you are chanting. With the dvitvam, it would be heard as Karikalabha kumbhastananata. Kumbhastana. Extra s, double s. So dual, dvitvam. Could I hear that again?
Sure. क्वणत्काञ्चीदामा करिकलभकुम्भस्तननता.
Uttamam Bhagini.
Thank you.
Yes, Uttamam. So please note these, all of you, please note these subtle nuances, dvitvam, etc. where, I mean, it is not wrong to chant in a particular way, but the accurate way of chanting is with the dvitvam. And any accurate pronunciation, accurate chanting you listen to Saundarya Lahari, it would be with the dvitvam. It's a very interesting concept. I have already shared the YouTube link with you all on why exactly we have dvitvam grammatically. So please listen to that, Dr. Saumya Krishnapur Bhagini's session.
Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Yes. Next, Ujjwala Singhania Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Sutha Sindhor Madhye Suravitapivati Parivrite Manitvipe Nipo Pavanavati Chintamani Grihe Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Bhajanti Twan Dhanyaha Kati Jana Chidanandalaharim.
Uttamam. Very well chanted, Ujjwala Bhagini. Very well chanted. Next, Geeta Vinod Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
महिमूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे.
Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted. Your tone and the raga was also very good.
Going by your raga.
It's a very simple tune, but the way you chanted was very well, Bhagini. Very good.
Dhanyavadah, Bhagini.
Yeah. So ability to maintain the same pitch consistently and chanting with that tune, it's very pleasing to hear. Well done. Yeah, Kamakshi Bhagini, next one.
Hello.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Am I hearing two voices?
Kamakshi.
I hope only Kamakshi Bhagini is unmuted.
Yes. Namaste
Just a
Bhagini.
second, Bhagini. I think someone else also was unmuted by mistake. Yes, Bhagini, you can chant now.
Sudhadhara saraihi charanayugalantarvigalitaihi prapancham sinchanti punarapi rasamnaya mahasaha avapya swam bhumim bhujaganibham adhyuštavalayam swamatmanam krutva Swapishikulakunde kuharini.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Shivashankar BV Mahodaya. Next verse. Shivashankar BV Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Yes.
Chaturbishri Kantaihi Shiva Yutibih Panchabhirapi.
Shiva Yuvatibhihi.
Shiva Yuvatibih Panchabhirapi. Pravinnabhih Shambhoho Navabhirapi Mula Prakrutibihi. Chatushchatvarinṣat Vasudala Kalashratrivalaya Trirekabhih Sardham Savacharana Kona Parinataha.
Mahodaya, everywhere Mahapranas should be clearer. Could I listen to you again with the Mahapranas? Chaturbhishri Kantaihi.
Okay, I will repeat it. Chaturbhishri Kantaihi Shiva Yuvatibhih Panchabhirapi Prabhinnabhih Shambhoho Navabhirapi Mula Prakrutibihi Chatushchatvarinṣat Vasudala Kalashratrivalaya Trirekabhih Sardham Savacharana Kona Parinataha.
Good effort. I know this verse is not a very easy one, but a lot of Mahapranas are there. Some places it wasn't very clear. For example, Prabhinnabhishambhoho, all three should be clear. And Trirekhabhisardham, three Mahapranas should be clear. But with practice, you will get it. But well chanted, Mahodaya. This is a tough verse, well chanted.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Swati Rajalakshmi Krishna Bhagini.
Ram.
Ram. Yes, next one.
Naram varshiyam sam nayana virasannarma sujadam tava pangaloke patita manodhavanti shatashah galadveni bandhaha kuchakalasha visrasta sichayaha Hathat trutyat काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः.
Uttamam Bhagini, again very musical, very nice to hear, very well chanted.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. R. Rajeshwari Bhagini. Please unmute. Also, if more than one has logged in, if you are more than one person, you can let me know. Two or three of you, all of you will be able to chant.
Shitau Shat Panchashat Vishamadhika Panchashadudake Hutashe Dvashashtihi Chaturadhika Panchashat Dhanile Vidvishat Trimshat
Dividvishat Trimshat
Dividvishat Trimshat Manasi Chatushashtiritidye Mayukasteshamapyupari Tava Padambujayugam.
Here, Dividvishat Trimshat, like I pointed out, and Mahapranas should be clearer. And also Chaturadhika Panchashadanile, we chant together. We don't split it as Panchashat and then we don't split that way. Chaturadhika Panchashadanile. Then last line, Mayukhas Teshamapyupari. It is a short letter, Hrasva. Tava Padam Bujayugam. Just few things to note. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini, well chanted. Next, Rupa Bhagini. Please unmute. Rupa Bhagini.
Ram. Madam,
Ram,
my name is
Ram.
Rekha. I am Rekha, Rupa's sister. I am also with her today.
Yeah, Rupa and
Rekha. I have not logged in. I have not logged in, but I am with her.
No problem. You can chant one after the other.
Okay, madam.
Yeah.
Rekha, this is.
Okay.
Sharad Jyotsnya Shuddham Shashiyuta Jata Juta Makutam Varastra Satrana Spatika Putika Pustaka Karam Sakranatva Kathamiva Satam Sannidadhate Madhukshiradраksha Madhurina Panitayaha.
Okay, Bhagini, here first line, Sharad Jyotsna. Can I hear that? Sharad Jyotsna?
Yes, ma'am. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddha.
Here, the Jyo, only the Ya is only for, is a Samyukta Akshara here, only for Jyo. So I heard it as Jyotsnya, and maybe I heard it wrong, I'm not sure. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham. Then second line, Varatra Satranas Sphatika Ghatika. It is not Ghu. It is Sphatika Ghatika Pustaka Karam. Okay. And fourth line, Bhagini, we don't split. Madhukshira Draksha Madhurina Phanitayaha. It will come with practice. This is a line which requires more breath control because a lot of Mahapranas and we don't take a pause also. So just these few things to note. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Next, Rupa.
Yeah. Ram.
Sorry, which one? This one.
Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham.
Sharad Jyotsna is over.
Over, yeah. Okay.
Next one, Kavindranam.
Kavindranam Chetha Kamala Vanabala Taparuchim Bhajante Ye Santaha Katichidarunameva Bhavati Virinchi Preyasyaha Tarunatara Shrungara Lahari Ghabhirabhirvabhighi Vadidhati Satam
Vidadhati
Vidhadati Satam Ranchana Mami.
Two things here. Taruna tara shringara lahari gabhirabhir vagbhihi. Whenever there is a hyphen, it denotes that we don't split, we don't pause there. We chant it together. Taruna tara shringara lahari gabhirabhir vagbhihi. And next word, as I already told you, it is vidadhati. The first the is alpa prana. Second the is mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you, Rupa and Rekha Bhagini.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Next, Vinay SV Mahodayah.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Bhagini, verse 12 was missed out.
Oh, is it? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we'll go back. Yes.
Twadiyam saundaryam tuhinagirikanye tulayitum kavindrah kalpante kathamapi virinchi prabhutayah yada lokautsukhyat amaralana yanti manasa tapobhirdrushprapam api girishasayujya padavim.
Uttamam. Last line again.
Tapobhirdushprapam api girishasayujya padavim.
Yes. Tapobhirdushprapam api girishasayujya padavim. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. With practice, you will get more familiar with the words and you will be more confident while chanting also. Next. Aditya Krishnan. Aditya Krishnan Mahodaya. Let's go to 17.
Actually, we are 3 people. We only learned up to 14 slokas.
Oh, you have learned up to 14. So you want to chant between 1 and 14, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Can we chant 11, 12 and 13?
Yes.
Okay.
चतुर्भिः श्रीकण्ठैः शिवयुवतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भोः नविभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुस्त्रिंशत् कलाश्रित्रिवलयस्त्रीरे खाभिः सार्धं तव शरणकोणाः परिणताः.
That last, the third and the fourth line, you should be more confident in chanting. Sorry. Here, Chatushchatvarimshat Vasudala Kalashratrivalayatririkhabhisardham Tava Sharana Kona Parinataha. So, what you could do, you could just practice. Okay, listen to the recording and practice. Then you will understand exactly how these words work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, we can have your. Is it your brother?
Yes.
Okay. What is your name?
Srinivas.
Srinivas. Okay. Which class are you studying in, Srinivas?
5th.
5th. Okay. And Aditya?
5th again.
5th again. Okay. Yes. Please chant, Srinivas.
Okay. त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राः कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः यदा लोकौत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापाम् अपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम्.
Uttamam. Srinivas, Aditya, both of you well chanted. Please practice so that you will become.
Miss, I am Sharanya, not Aditya. Now Aditya is going to chant.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So first one who chanted was not Aditya.
No, I am Sharanya.
Sharanya chanted. Okay. Next, Srinivas chanted.
Yes. Now Aditya will chant.
Now
Aditya will
Aditya.
chant.
Okay. Aditya is also in 5th standard.
Yes.
And Sharanya?
I am also in 5th standard.
Oh, 3 of you in 5th. Very good. Okay.
Miss, Sharanya and Srinivas are twins.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So now who is chanting?
Varshiyam sam nayana virasam nalmasudadam tavapangaloke patitamanu shatasah galadvini bandhaha kuchakalasha vissastastichayaha hathatutyatkānsyaha vigalita-dukula yuvatayaha.
Well chanted. This is Aditya, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you chant the last line again, please?
Yes. Hathatutyatkānsyaha
Trutyatkansyah
vigalita-dukula yuvatayaha.
Yeah, well chanted, all 3 of you. Please practice. You are learning at a very young age. Please try to memorize. At the end of this, we will have an assessment at the end of the webinar. But more than for the assessment, it is good if you memorize now. It will become a lifelong asset for you. Okay? Dhanyavadaha. Next. Okay, Brinda Bhagini. Let's go back to 17, I think, which I think we didn't chant. Sorry?
Savitri.
Yeah, Savitri Bhirvacham, yes.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Savitri Birvacham Shashimani Bhankaruchibihi Vashinyadibhistvam Vashinyadhyabhistvam Sahajanani Sanchintayati Yaga Sakarta Kavyanam Bhavati Mahatam Banki Ruchibihi Vachobit Vagdevi Vadana Kamala Moda Maduraihi.
Okay, good effort. All the Mahapranas should be clearer. Savitri Bhirvacham Shashimani Shila Bhanga Ruchibhihi. And here Vashinyadhyabhistvam. Then next line Sakarta Kavyanam Bhavati Mahatam Bhangi Ruchibhihi. Last line Vachobhir Vagdevi Vadana Kamala Moda Madhuraihi. Here we do not pause. The entire last line is chanted together. Okay, Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Those who have finished chanting, please lower your hands because I'm seeing the same names again. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodaya. Okay, you haven't chanted yet. Okay. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodayah. Yes.
Namaskaram, madam.
Namaste.
Namaste. Tanuchhayabhiste tarunatarani Shri Saranibhihi Divam Sarvamurvim Arunimani Magnam Smaratiyah Bhavantyasya Trasyadvana Harina Shali Nayanaha Sahor Varshaha Kati Nagirvana Ganika.
Uttamam. Here, Tanuchaya Bhiste Taruna Tarani Shri. There is a Dvitvam there. So Taruna Tarani Shri Sarani Bhihi. That Dvitvam should be clearer. Tarani Shri.
Taruna Tarani Shri. Taruna Tarani Shri Sarani Bhihi.
Uttamam. And next line, it will come with practice. Bhavantyasya trasyadvana harina shalina nayanaha. You keep listening to it, you will get it, Mahodaya.
Okay.
So you'll get just the fluency, matter of fluency, that's it. So you just have to develop fluency. Some lines are tongue twisters in Saundarya Lahari, but with practice, you'll definitely get it. Just by listening also, you will be able to get it. And then please chant every day. Next. Swati Bhagini. Please unmute. Swati Bhagini.
Mahoday.
Yes.
Shruyate va? This
Yes,
19th one?
Shruyate, vadatu.
Mukham bindum kritva kuchayugamadhastasya tadhadaha hararthan dhyayidyaha mahishite manmathakalam sasamkshopam nayati vanita ityati lagutrilokimapyashu Brahmayati ravindus Tanayugam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Two things. Tadadaha. It is not tadadaha. It is tadadaha. First the is alpa prana. Second the is mahaprana. Then last word is Ravindusthanayugam. I heard it as Ravindu. It is Ravindu. Dirgha. So these things to note. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. Okay, next. Parvati Krishnan Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Kiranti mangebhyah kirananikuram bhamritarasam hriditvatva madhate
Hriditva madhate.
Hriditva madhate.
Tvam adhatte dirgha. Hriditva madhatte.
Hriditva madhatte himakara shila murti mivayah sasamparnam darpam shamayati
Sasarpanam darpam.
Sasarpanam darpam shamayati shakuntha dvipaiva Jwara
plushtan
drishtya sukhayati sudhadhara siraya.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted. You have to learn the
Practice
words
again.
clearly. So you will have to
Yes.
read it
Practice.
more. Yeah, practice, read, and also listen to it. Kiranti mangebhyah kirana nikurumbam ritarasam. Just a matter of developing fluency.
Okay, thank you,
Dhanyavada.
madam. Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you.
There are a
Dhanyavad.
few errors. If you listen to the recording, you can
We'll surely do it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Next. Pradnya Ambatipudi.
Ram 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 Mahoday.
Ram Ram Ram. The first was
शिवशक्त्या युक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवः न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति.
Uttamam Pradnya, very well chanted. So before, I know some of you are logging out at 6 o'clock. Those who have not chanted today, in the next class, we will continue because I had around 70 plus hands raised and we have not been able to do even half of them. So next class, again, we will continue with individual chanting. The preference next class would be for those who haven't chanted in this class. So we will continue for another 10 minutes or so today. Whoever can stay can chant if you get a chance. Otherwise, we'll take it up in the next class. Renuka Bhagini, next verse.
Ram 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 Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Taniyam sampansum tava charana pankeruha bhavam viranchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam harasankshupyainam bhajati bhasito dhulina vidham dhulana vidhim.
Yes, sahasrena, na should be clearer. It is not sahasrena. And virinchis sanchinvan. Okay, so getting more familiar with the letters. You should get more familiar with the words and then you'll be able to do it. Dhanyavadaha. Annie Marie Bhagini.
Oh, namaste.
Namaste.
This is a tough one.
So where are you joining us from? Which part of the world?
From Romania.
Sorry?
From Romania.
Romania. Okay, very good. Yes.
Avidyanamantistim. Oh, this is a tough one.
Okay, I'll do one thing. You tell me which one you want to chant. I'll give you that verse.
First one.
First one as in you want to chant the Shiva Shaktya Yukta or before
shorter
that?
words anyway. Okay.
Oh, okay. This one or next one?
No, the first verse or second or the verses of Saundarya Lahari, not the Mangalams.
Okay, yes.
Oh, this is good. Shiva Shaktya Yuktah Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum Nache Devan Deva. Somebody else is with me.
Everyone else, please mute yourselves. I'd request only all of you to please go on mute. Only Annie Marie would be chanting now.
Okay.
Yes.
Shiva Shaktya Yuktah Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum Nache Devan Devah Nakhalu Kushalas Panditumapi Atastwamaradhyam Harihara Virinchadhi Virinchadhibirapi Harihara Virinchadhibirapi Harihara Virinchadhibirapi Pranantum stotum va Kathamapi Kruta Punya Prabhavati.
Kathamakrita Punyaha.
Kathamakrita Punya Prabhavati.
Uttamam, very well chanted, Annie Marie. Very, very well chanted, very happy. And also, I know you had said that you were sending an email, but you didn't receive any response. I hope you're able to send the email now to the email ID given to you.
Yeah,
you
sorry,
said-
I had an exam on Vyoma, so I didn't have even time to practice the Saundarya Lahari. Sorry.
Oh, no
for-
problem. No problem. Yes. Any
So-
doubts, you can ask me by email also.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste. Anagha Srinivasan Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Ram Ram Ram.
अविद्यानामन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति.
Uttamam Anagha. Bhavati. If that's a short letter, so if that should be more precise. Very well chanted. Which class are you studying in?
I'm studying in 7th standard.
7th. Very good. In Bangalore, is it?
In Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Okay. Okay. Very well chanted, Anagha. Dhanyavadaha. Anuradha Kannan Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ma'am.
Ram Ram Ram.
Vadanyappanibhyam abhayavarado daivataganaha tvameka naivasi prakatitavarabhitya bhinaya bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha
Vanchasamadhikam.
फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणो.
Tamam Bhagini. Bhayat here, Tvameka Naivasi is a short vowel, so that should not be prolonged.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next. Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini.
हरिस्त्वामाराध्य प्रणतजनसौभाग्यजननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमभिक्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वान्नत्वा रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनामभ्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Fluency. Yes, we all have to work on fluency by listening more, chanting to it every day. Lalita S. Bhagini. Next one.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Dhanuh paushpam maurvi madhukaramayi panchavishikhah vasanta samantah malayamarudayoधनरथः तथाप्येकः सर्वं हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपाम् अपाङ्गात्ते लब्ध्वा जगदिदमनङ्गो विजयते.
Uttamam. Very well chanted. Jayanti Ramesh Bhagini. Next one.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
क्वणत्काञ्चीदामा करिकलभकुम्भस्तननता परिक्षीणा मध्ये परिणतशरच्चन्द्रवदना धनुर्बाणान् पाशं सृणिमपि दधाना करतलैः पुरस्तादास्तां नः पुरमथितुराहो पुरुषिका.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Let me just see if there are any questions. Lakshyamrita Bhagini, this is your first class. No problem. We have learned 20 shlokas, which is what we are revising. And others who have asked me, I'm making a note of your names. Manoj Swaminathan Mahodayaha. In the next class, I'll definitely give you a chance to chant. How to unmute? When I call out your name, I will give you the access to the mic. Dr. Saumya Bhagini's course, it was not a, her course is Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. She has taken many courses on grammar in Vyoma, where also she has dealt with Dvitvam, but we had a special session with her in our Suprabhatam course. The video is up on YouTube. She has dealt with Dvitvam and many other aspects of pronunciation. I have sent you the YouTube link to the registered email ID. All of you would have got an email, whoever has registered for this course. So you can go to YouTube and also check out for her session in Suprabhatam course in Vyoma itself. The entire session is on nuances of pronouncing, which includes Dvitvam. Anu Chandru Bhagini. Okay, I'm writing down your name. Those who have not chanted today, next class also we'll have revision. How do you plan to maintain a list? I'm writing down the names. So one of you has asked me how I'm going to maintain a list. I've written down the names of all those who have chanted today. So one of them has appreciated Annie Marie's efforts to chant, which is very good. Yes, very happy that those who are not familiar with Indian languages also are chanting so well. That really shows their efforts, which they are putting in with so much dedication. Very true. Congratulations, Annie Marie. Bhaginis, one of them has congratulated you. Yeah, whoever has sent me that they have not chanted, I'm writing down the names. Also, I will try to send a Google spreadsheet or something like that where you can enter whoever has not chanted today. You can enter the name so that I can call out in the next class. Okay, I just finished seeing the question and answer window. Now I'm looking at the chat window. How to unmute that, like I told you, you don't have someone has said you don't have the option to raise the hand. I think all of them will have an option. Please look at the settings, or maybe you should just explore your Zoom a bit. Okay, all the three kids, I think Aditya, Srinivas, and Sharanya, you are being appreciated by many of them. Congratulations. I'm just writing down some names of those who haven't chanted, but I hope I don't miss out any. In any case, I will send out an email. Maybe you could include your names there, and I will give you a chance to chant. Next class, definitely, we will have a revision session again. Okay, what I would do is we will conclude today's class. There are many of you who have sent me messages. I will write down your names later, and then next class we will again have revision. We will conclude with Shanti Mantraha as usual. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः राम 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 thank you very much for attending very well chanted whoever chanted today sorry everyone couldn't get a chance to chant today next class definitely we will have more people chanting and like I said first preference to those who haven't chanted today dhanyawadaha we will meet next Sunday at 5 p.m. Indian time thank you